This is the general form or standard form of a parabola. A parabola looks like this or this. If it opens up, this first one opens up, that means A will be greater than 0. That's going to be a positive number right there. If it opens down, A will be less than 0. This point here is called the vertex, okay? And if your equation is written in this form, you can just pick your vertex off. Your vertex will be HK. Opposite sign of whatever's here, same sign here. So if you had y equals negative 2 x plus 3 squared minus 5, the vertex would be negative 3, opposite, same here, negative 5. And this parabola would open down because you have a negative 2 out front. So in our problem, we have h, which stands for height, negative 16, this thing opens down, t minus 3 squared plus 150. So the vertex is going to open down, and the vertex would be 3, 150. So what that means is after 3 seconds, this object is 150 feet up in the air. That is an order pair 3, 150. And we're trying to figure out at what height in feet is the object 2 seconds after it reaches its maximum height. So it reaches its maximum height at 3, but it says 2 seconds afterwards, so that's going to be 5 seconds. And you're trying to figure out at what height. You're trying to find the height. So to find the height, it's going to be negative 16 times. We're going to plug in 5 for t, because that's 2 seconds after it reaches its maximum. And that's going to be 5 minus 3 squared plus 150. And that's negative 16 times 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 squared is 4 plus 150. So it's negative 64 plus 150. And that's going to be 150 minus 64. That's a 4. And that is 6. It's going to be 86. So 86 feet. And the answer is B.